Hello, good afternoon, friends. This is Leap Option Seller. I welcome you all to my channel. I humbly request you guys to subscribe maximum. I am seeing a lot of people are watching and they are not subscribing. Maybe they feel or they find they find my channel is not worthy enough to subscribe. Okay, if anyone is feeling like that, then leave it. But if anyone is feeling that my channel is worthy and what the hell I am talking about is worthy, so please subscribe. Fine. So today I would like to discuss about trading psychology. So we used to hear the word trading psychology. What is trading psychology, or how the psychology impact in our trading? So a practical scenario I want to show you to understand what is trading psychology. So I'll tell you something. If you are doing a random trades, like whenever you see some range or you're taking a trade, and again random trades, that means there is without a system, because of the impulse, we are taking trades. Maybe one or two or three trades will be successful, and after a period of time you will be in loss for sure. So this is my experience. Actually, I was doing the random trades earlier. So the moment I changed to the system trade, so I started making slowly profits. So for the past 5 to 6 months, not 6 months, almost 7 months, I'm in profit only. I'm continuously making small profits. So by the way, let us come to the point back again. What is trading psychology? I'll show you one trade, the running leap trades. See, fine. Let us check the first trade. This is a running trade. Okay. So you can see the profit is now 9,230. Fine. What is this trade? This is 17,500 straddle, which is on December. Fine. I hedged it with the June month option. So this is the trade which is running. So you know that last time market, let me open the chart. I'm opening the chart just to show you the market movement. Market, 1 second. Let us go. Okay, one day. This is Nifty. Fine. Perfect. Okay. See the market. From March 3rd, market was moving up, right? I took this trade. When I took this trade on 28th February, I took the trade. That means I took the trade on 28th February, on this day, correct? February 28th, Tuesday. See, you can carefully watch what happened exactly. The next day, market market shooting up, and again market came down. And the other days you can see the market. How many points it moved? 17,500 till 17,800. 300 points move. So in this move, this trade was in a loss of almost 8 9,000 rupees. That means before 3 4 days I was sitting with a loss of 9,000, nearly 9,000 rupees, because of this movement. See, just 3 days it went almost 300 points. So in such scenario, our non-direction trade will be in loss. So what I did, I have what is this trade? This is a leap trade, right? So I have a specific point to adjust. So the moment market reach to this level, I will adjust this trade. Till that, I have nothing to worry. See what normally happens, or what I was doing earlier. Whenever I see a loss, I immediately uh, book the loss. In other scenario, I continue in the loss. So I don't know what to do actually in the next moment after the market move a certain points. Once I sitting with a, huge MTM loss, then I become blank. I don't know what to do next. So this is what was happening earlier. So once I move to the system trade, so I know what to do with this trade. When the market move, for example, 500 or 600 or 700 points. So in that case, what is the adjustment I'm gonna do? I know it clearly. So the MTM loss never makes me worried. Correct. So just imagine if I become in a 9,000 rupees loss, the normal trade is what they will do, they will exit the trade, they will book the loss and they will go for the another trade. Okay, that is a good idea, but when you take a leap trade, you have almost 9 months in front of you, right? And it is hedged, properly hedged. So if it goes 5,000, 6,000, 7,000 point down because of some black sun event, maximum what I will lose, I will lose 60,000 rupees. So I know what is my maximum loss, correct? So till June, I am okay. I'm perfectly all right, because till June, wherever the market goes, my max profit. So you can see, if it comes down, my maximum loss will be 60,000, and if it goes up, my max loss will be 30, 40, 48, 50,000 rupees. This is my maximum loss, which is happening, which may happen if the market crash or shoot up like anything till June, end of June. So till end of June, I don't want to take any kind of reflex action or impulsive action. I can wait as long as I know my levels and where I want to do the adjustment. So this is what is called trading psychology. So now I am into the profit. So see, if the market goes down, my profit will increase in this case. Okay, so I hope you understand what is trading psychology. It is nothing but follow your system, and wherever the market goes, let it go. But you have a proper system. You just follow that system. Point number one. And point number two, I will show you again the other leap trade. See this trade. What is this? This is strangle, which is expiring on December 17,000, and it is 1,000 three lots. And this trade was in a loss of almost 20,000 nearly. It reached 16, 18, 19,000 loss last week because of this movement. See, this movement happened just continuously in 3 days. Market was moving up. That's the reason it was giving me a huge loss. This C leg, this 18,000 C leg was giving me a huge loss. It went up to 1,000 rupees. Okay, the premium went up to 1,000 rupees. I think more than 1,000 rupees it went. And see, if I know what to do, if the market move violently, I know what to do. Till 31st March, my max loss will be 61,000. I'm okay to book that loss if the market crash. This is my first psychological edge. I'm okay to book. Fine. If the market fell, no, if the market goes down, if the market crash, I will be in profit only. But if the market shoot up, then only I will be having problem, because my CE premium is almost double to my PE premium. So if the market crash, I'll be definitely in very, very good profit. Fine. Okay. So as I told you, this trade went to a loss of nearly 20,000 rupees. From there, see, now I am sitting with a loss of just 1,320. How I was able to manage that loss? One is my position sizing. I have good number of capital, good amount of capital. So, but see, I entered into just 5 lots in leap. Okay, this is my position sizing. So the max loss is defined here, and I know definitely at one point of time I have to do the adjustment, or I have to book the loss and exit the trade. So this is the first thing. So I hope you understand what is trading psychology. Correct. And I did three mistakes in last 3 weeks in my weekly machine control trade and a monthly machine control trade. I did very big mistake, but I didn't book any. I booked a loss in one position, but that position reversed back to profit. Sometimes the psychological issues will affect me also, because I am also a human being. So I am also trying to cover. I'm also trying to improve my psychology each and every day. So a person who is having almost 3 to 4 years experience in the market, still, the psychological issues will come when the trade goes to uh, profit or loss or whatever it is. So just imagine the newbies, how they can manage the situation. So you have to have a clear, a long-term experience in the market. Then only you can correct your psychology. First of all, what you want to do, even though you have crores of rupees capital, but initially you do trading with very, very less quantity. Okay, don't put all your money into the trades. Just do with one or two or three lots maximum. And if you have good capital, and whenever you pledge the stock and you are using the margin from the pledged stock, that is very dangerous. If the market crash, then your margin will be goes down and will be in trouble. So always reduce your position and try to experience the market and correct your psychology, so you'll be in profit. Okay, so these are my two leap trades which are currently running. I'll show you my weekly trade also. Fine. This is one of my weekly machine control trade, and which is in profit of 2,800 rupees. Fine. And I have one more trade. I'll show you that. This is actually, I entered when I entered. No, not this one. Mm, yeah, this one. This is another trade. Actually, I entered this one on 3rd March. This is also a very big mistake. I am not supposed to enter on 3rd March. I have to strictly on the weekly. 2 weeks back I entered this trade because of the premium. Because the premium was very less that time. Fine. Uh, Second. Okay. See, this is a max. See, I adjusted this position. This is showing. This position is after the adjustment. So my maximum loss will be 11,585. So I am ready to book this loss. If in coming Thursday, if this trade gives me a loss of 12,000 rupees, 11,600 rupees, I'm okay to book the loss. Okay, I'm not going to do any adjustment. So I'll wait. If the market falling, my max loss will be 11,000. But I booked a lot, very good profit in this leap option. I mean, machine control, weekly machine control trade. So nothing to worry. So this is I want to show you. So don't do any aggressive adjustment on the trades. Just one or two adjustment maximum and ready to book the loss. Okay, this trade actually gave me a lot of profits. You can see 15,000, and this one actually I booked loss. I show you this earlier. Fine. This is also expired in 12,000 rupees profit this trade last week, but I booked 5,000 rupees because of some personal reason. I was not able to hold the trade. I booked 1 day in advance. This trade I am talking about. It's a closed trade. Okay, what I booked, the booked profit was 5,000 rupees, but this trade expired in the maximum profit without any adjustment. So this I have a personal reason to book this trade earlier. I didn't follow the rule. So this Excel, you can see this Excel. I'm recording everything with my note trading journal. So you can see whatever mistakes I did, and so I can refer this in the next week. See the total profit I made almost 71,000 in last how many weeks? 5 weeks, 6 weeks. So it's trading very good, and monthly machine control also doing well. Okay, so that's all for now. So currently I am running in profit only in leaps trade, and weekly trade. The trade which I ended 2 weeks back is in loss, and I am okay to book maximum loss. And another trade is in profit currently, and I don't know what will happen on Thursday. Whatever happens, I know my levels to adjust. When the market reaches to a particular point, I will adjust, and there is only one adjustment. And after that, wherever the market goes, whether it gives me profit, gives me loss, it's okay. I'm okay with that. I'm okay to book the profit or loss. Okay, so this is what is called psychology. I hope you get something. See, this is the, you can see this trade. This is the trade, leap option. See the loss here, very small loss, right? I show you this loss, and this is the weekly machine control which I ended 2 weeks back, last week. This is a mistake actually I did. This position is after adjustments. I show you here. I did one adjustment. I booked no, not this one, sorry, this one. Okay, here I booked a profit of 5,000 rupees in this trade, and after the 5,000 rupees profit adjustment, this is the current running trade. So I hope you get some kind of information. So thank you so much for watching. I humbly request you guys to subscribe my channel, and I'll give you the trades which Mr. PR Sundar is charging 50,000, 60,000 rupees. So this is the same things I'm doing. Uh, so you can get it free of cost. See, by the way, nobody can teach you the trading. Trading is completely psychology. It is person to person. The person who is doing the same strategy, the outcome will be different from person to person. For example, a person who is doing straddle intraday and person A, person B, person C. Three people are doing the same strategy, but the outcome of three people will be different. This is up to their psychology. Okay, so thank you so much. So market is very much volatile now because of the American bank issue. So let us see how the market will behave. So where the that psychology is nothing but wherever the market goes or whatever the market is doing, it should not affect your sleep. You know what you're doing and you know your maximum loss, and you know when to book the profit and when to book the loss, or when to adjust the position. If you know these three things clearly, your psychology is intact, so nothing to worry. So thank you so much guys. See you on next video. So again, I'm seeing a lot of people are watching my videos, but no one is subscribing here. So please, I humbly request you guys to subscribe my channel. I'm not taking any money from you. I have a Telegram channel. I'm giving whenever I take a trade, I'm giving the trades free of cost. Okay, I'm not charging anything, and any adjustment if I want to do, I'm sharing that also in that Telegram channel. So this is completely free of cost. I just want to save the people from incurring huge loss, because I'm a person who made heavy loss in the market. So thank you so much, guys. See you soon. The next video. Bye.